Hey, my name's Anth, and I think I'm refreshingly normal. And this is my 2-year-old cockapoo Sammy. We've just bought a motorhome. We've never owned one before, and we've no idea what we're doing. So come join us on our Great British motorhome adventure. So here we are, Bellatar Caravan and Camping Site. Really good site, spacious pitches, facilities are excellent, everything that you'd want. And the first site on this trip where the shower has been too hot, as in normally you max the shower up temperature wise and it's still bearable, but here I had to turn the shower down. So that's one good thing about being camping near the Queen. And an amazing sight. Looks like a woman laid on her back. Wonderful views. I mean, you could quite easily think of the old Duke and him chasing the stag up those hills. Over here as well, you're just surrounded by beautiful countryside. And over there is the River Dee and a wonderful bridge crossing it. That's beautiful. Sam, where is the castle? Oh, there it is. Oh, nearly got you, Sam. That looks like a fairway. What do you think, Sam? Sam, what do you think? I'm reliably informed by Mrs. G that King Charles is going to make this his permanent residence rather than Buckingham Palace. Can't blame them. What do you think of Balmoral Castle, Sam? Good? You could see yourself running around here if I let you off your lead? I reckon you'd be dangerous. You'd be lost forever in the woods. So I'd absolutely recommend coming to Balmoral, but I definitely wouldn't recommend their coffee. And there's Mrs. G in the distance. Sam's found a sock. I think that's the Queen's grandfather. 14, Spark. Phoenix. 10. Holly. 13. Oh God, if Sammy keeps yanking, he'll be here. 2. Chris. Now I seem to remember Flash was a popular one. At 12. And at 11. Sun on us. Sort of brings it all to life.
There's so many sticks here, you just can't, you're just picking one up.
Sammy's found a stick.
Sticks?
Come on in, Sam. The memorial to Princess Alice. And that's Noble. You gonna say hello, Sam? For more than 15 years, the favourite collie and dear and faithful companion of Queen Victoria, died at Balmoral, 1887. Wow. Noble by name, by nature noble too. Faithful companion, sympathetic, true. His remains are interred here. Wow, she loved him. If we got one of Sammy, it'd be sleeping, wouldn't it?
This is your big sticks.
You taking that home with you, Sam?
Show Alicia, big sticks.
It's a royal stick, that one. Those clocks. Well, didn't he want to be able to tell the time wherever he was on the estate, and that's why they're on all four sides. £500. 52. 32. 50 grand in this case. And 4 on this line. £250. 2. 36. 23. £5 grand. 38.